The satisfaction rate after a tummy tuck is typically very high. I can identify 4 factors or areas upon which to focus in order to get the best looking outcome. The first, I think, is the scar. The scar has to be low. The second factor is the belly button. Can't be too big, can't be too small. It's not round, it's taller than it is wide. The third factor is flatness. It's usually possible to pull that muscle back to where it belongs so that she's flat. The fourth factor is smoothness. Usually it's possible to take the fat from under the skin and allow the skin to drape smoothly over the tightened muscle. And if those 4 things can be achieved, chances are you're going to like the way you look.